Ooh, treated myself for holiday, didn't I? Been wanting these for ages. I always tend to get the Hermes because we all know I do love the bag. Or bags, should I say. So, in today's box, we have just literally wrecked all the ribbon. This is the part that you don't want to be wrecking. I always think every time you buy one of these, I don't open it for this reason, because I can never do the ribbon back the same. Like, it's really heartbreaking. So anyway, there's no ribbon now, that's all come off. I've done a full breakdown. So yeah, you get a lovely orange box with the codes. With a ribbon that has the year that you bought it, and that's just like a brown. That. I've took these out, so I'm going to put them back in. You'll see in the next video. So I'm thinking red lipstick, like a white overall shirt, bikini on, or you can wear it with some white cotton shorts, which I've got. I'm sure you'll be seeing that in a vlog. Yeah, hair down but straight, or even like this with a nice little tang, because you know, a bit of olive skin is nice. And just the ears, I think they're just simple, elegant, so worth it, and they're so comfy. I bought a 38 because they tell you to size up, but personally, now that I've got them, I'd probably not bother. Yeah. Like, I don't think I should have sized up. That's them on. I think style. And take the tissue out. And that's what they look like. How nice. So yeah, I went for all the embroidery. So I got all the white stitching. And then you got your Hermes on the sole. And then you've also got that as well. And I took them away. That's just like, that's my receipt, I think. Yes, my receipt. There you go. Now let's try and work out how to do this back up. I'll show you today's outfit as well. Where are my shoes? Just a simple. And I'm wearing it with like a Burberry jacket. So yeah. Let's just try and do this. So it came in a lovely box like this, and then it's all fastened down so it doesn't move anywhere. Move. Like, how cute is that? That's all. Anyway, it's got a lovely ribbon, sexy box, and this is what we got. Like, how pretty are they? Now they can go in my bag. I got 38 because that's a 5. Because they say size up, but I wish I didn't now. because I'm normally a 4.5, I'd say, but I should have definitely got a 4.5. How pretty are they? Just the detail on these is insane. I love it. They're so soft too.